Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing another DIY and it's going to be of this Chanel vase. I got these sticks from Dollar Tree, which I cut to size the mirror that I'm using. I use a mirror which I got from Hobby Lobby, and that's all. You just cut it to size, and I use wood glue and a screw to hold firmly. So that's what I am here doing, putting them close to each other. I'm measuring them up and using my husband drill one screw into the other one, so the glue will dry firm and they will stay in position of what I want them to do. I use some Dollar Tree jingle blocks and I stick together, I think it was about 3 going across and 1 down, and I use wood glue again, because wood glue stick really tight. So that's what I did here. I'm just placing it on the side, turning it down and measuring it how much I need, which I use 3 as I said before, across, and 1 on each side turn down, just so that I can have a stability, tongue tie stability on the top, where I'm going to leave as an opening to put my vase in. Then I also went out and got some clamps and clamp it together and leave overnight to dry. So that's what I'm here doing. Putting all the glue down. I measured first and then stick there. So this is where I use a clamp and hold it firm so it can stick how I wanted it to. Then I went ahead and made the top of the vase to shape as like a bottle top. So that's what I'm here doing. I use 4 stick together on the bottom, and then I use 8 on the top to give me that look, putting them in the center right here. So now I use 4 and 4, but I just stick them just like this to give me that look. And I'm just, any glue that is running over, I'm just wiping it in so I don't have a bump. After which it's dry, I use some acrylic paint and went over it and painted back. You can skip this step if you want to, but I just wanted it to, just in case any of the wood show after putting the mirror, it will just camouflage with the black. So that's why I'm using the black right here. Guys, this vase is absolutely beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. So that's, I'm just using a Dollar Tree sponge brush and brushing it along and making it look just like how I want it. And let me remind you guys, don't forget to subscribe, like the channel, follow me on all social media, Facebook, Instagram, all the social media. It's Glam with Isis. And if you're new here, thank you for stopping by. I hope you find it interesting to continue to be a part of this family. I have a lot of new content coming out with vlogs. My battery went dead, so I did not show where I stick the mirror on, but I just use the same wood glue and stick it on. On the sides, I use a mirror reflected paper on the sides, and this is when I'm cutting the paper right here with a scissors. I'm going to link everything in my description box below, because you can get this from Amazon, so I'm going to link it for you. And you just peel the back of it off and just put it on the side, and I just stick it to the same wood right here. I use bling wrap to cover the bottom part of the bottle head, just like this. You can use whatever you choose, but this is what I use. But oh my god, it is beautiful. I print out the Chanel sign from my Cricut, and It came out really beautiful. I love it, love it, and I hope you do too. But don't forget to subscribe, guys. A lot of different content is coming out. I'm gonna provide more vlogs and stuff like that. And this is how I style it. I don't think I showed when I stick the two mirrors together, but it's just putting a Jenga blocks on one mirror and placing the other mirror on top of the block. Easy like that. So hope you like it. Share, like, and subscribe.